Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a free tool from Popper, the LinkedIn Text Formatter. Popper is an AI-powered on-site engagement platform that helps you build high-converting pop-ups, widgets, and interactive gamified experiences, like Spin the Wheel, Candy Crush, Fruit Ninja, and more, no coding needed. The LinkedIn Text Formatter. To access it, simply search on Google for LinkedIn Text Formatter by popper.ai. You can also find the link in the video description below. So, what exactly does this tool do? It formats your LinkedIn content using a wide variety of styling options to make your text stand out. Copy and paste the full text of your LinkedIn post into the tool. Highlight specific portions you want to format. These are some of the trending formats people are using on LinkedIn right now. Bold headlines with a hook. Italic quotes or reflections. Bolded CTAs like "Apply now" or "Let's connect." Monospace or squares for job openings and role highlights. And more. These styles help your post break the scroll, stand out in a crowded feed, and grab attention instantly. Copy the formatted version and paste it back into your LinkedIn post editor. And yes, when your content looks different, there are high chances of it going viral. Well-formatted posts often see better visibility, engagement, and click-through rates. So that's the LinkedIn Text Formatter, a fast, free way to make your LinkedIn content stand out and drive more engagement. Try it now, the link is in the description. If you found this tool helpful, give this video a like, share it with your team or fellow marketers, and don't forget to subscribe to Popper's channel for more powerful tools and tips. And don't forget to check out our full suite of free tools designed to help you boost engagement and conversions. See you in the next one.